So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to fill, what is the step-by-step process to fill TNEA admission form. But before starting this video, I just want to add this thing, right? Every single year, there are lakhs of students across India who are hunting for colleges, for their engineering, for their bachelors, and we have just completed a 12th standard and we have so much confusion related to the colleges, related to the counseling process because there are like small mistakes what a student do and they then suffer with the same step. So by making all these videos, we are somehow trying to help you out in terms of getting your dream colleges, right? And yeah, that is the reason this is the one video which will help you that how you can fill the TNEA admission form step-by-step guide. So first of all, you need to visit the official website and select the online registration link. That's the first process, right? The official website is www.tneaonline.org. So you just have to click on this website, right? Go for the registration link, register and obtain a registration number / login ID and password. Once you get login ID or registration number and password, fill your personal and academic details and attach the relevant form as and when required, right? So whatever the documents will be required, you have to attach all those documents. After ensuring all the information entered is correct and relevant, submit the application and pay the application fees by debit card, credit card, UPI and other net banking options. Take a printout of the filled application form and save it as soft copy as well, because this will be required in future. So that's basically the step-to-step guide that how you can register yourself for the TNEA counselling. Will be in other videos, we'll be discussing about the choice filling, the verification, the documents required and each and everything. But for this video, I think that's all. Thank you.